How to activate East West credit card online. So all you have to do is search for East West Banker and tap on the first suggestion shown. Now right here tap on the person icon and select East West Online Personal or Corporate. That's up to you. Now it might take a while. Here you can log in if you already have an online account. If not, just tap on sign me up, which is at the bottom. Now it will redirect you here where it will state some of the requirements as well as terms and conditions to open up or activate a credit card. And once you have read it all, just give it a tick and tap on continue. Now just tap on yes to confirm you have a debit card. Here just enter your credit card number, make sure it's accurate, and also enter your PIN. Now you only have 3 more steps to go, that is verification, login setup and security questions. After you are done with all the process, you shall be able to activate your credit card online. So that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.